Panotec compact machine.
If you made a video, not with my face.
Sure.
So I show you all the sensor and the
Okay, Panotec compact casing in carton machine. Okay, so we turn on the power. Turn on the isolator.
was too early to switch the machine on. You have to wait almost 2 or 3 minutes to restart the machine. So this is like the warehouse of the where we store the cardboard. We have 4 different trays. We start from here. One. This is the 4, 3, 2, 1.
One is outside.
One is outside, yes.
So first, this is one, two. This is one outside.
Yes,
One.
there because for
Okay, so there's a number there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how you call this segment or this area?
the warehouse of the
Warehouse
cardboard.
or cardboard storage area.
Yes. And in this case, on this machine, we can put one cardboard between the other. And the maximum width of the cardboard must be not more than 2. You have to put, when you fit the cardboard, you have to keep attention about the direction of the cardboard. So you see that this part is the inside of the box, must be on the top. You see the difference? Here.
Okay, so the smooth part of the cardboard
Yeah.
must be down,
Yes.
and the unsmooth part is on top. So this will be inside the box.
Yes, sure. And then you have to put the cardboard in the 0 dip position. So this is the position here.
So this is aligned with the edge of the cardboard.
Yes. Yes. There is one in the left side, another one on the other side. So you can fit 2 cardboard.
So I can fit different sizes of cardboard, or it should be standard cardboard on, like this dimension.
Yes.
It should be the same dimension only.
No, you can also change the measure of cardboard.
But it should be in the center.
No,
If it is
no, always on the left or on the right.
okay, so the zero position is always at the tip of this.
There's this here, and if you go on the other side, another one here.
Okay, so this marking.
Yes, and there is also on the bottom. Okay. Continue there.
So if I put here on number 1, in number 1 section, I will put it outside there on top.
Yes, on top.
On top.
And I will show you
So
later
2 will
how
be
to
here,
bring the cardboard.
3 will be here, and 4 will be here. Okay. So different segments of cardboard. So at the moment we only feed 2.
Yes, because we have just to do pallet.
Okay.
So the machine starts from here. First thing is the safety device on the gate. This it goes inside the red part here.
Okay.
Then we find the lift. Is this part. We move up and down, back and forward. So move up and down. There is the motor inside here. Here we will change. So move up and down, and then move back and forward with this cylinder, one inside there.
Okay, that cylinder. So it has how many cylinder? 1, 2, 3.
Yes, there's just one cylinder. You see.
This cylinder, huh?
Yes.
And what about this? These are guides only?
Only right, yes. Keep it straight.
Yeah.
Then we see that we have the 4 trays, and this is where we go to insert the cardboard.
So where is number 1? This is number 1.
So
Number 2.
Just a second.
3, 4.
Yes, the number 4. That one on the bottom.
So,
1, 2, 3, and 4.
So 4 will be inserted here, and this is 3, 2, and 1.
Yes.
Here. It slides. The cardboard slides here.
Yes. This is our zero position on the left side, the same on the right side. Then we have other parts, aluminum part to keep the cardboard straight.
Okay. But these are fixed, or we
It's
do.
movable. Normally that one on the zero position remain there. You have to move that one on the middle.
If the cardboard is wider, bigger,
Yeah.
then we have to move.
Yes, you can move it.
So basically, this is like the side guide,
Yes.
so that the cardboard will feed in a perpendicular manner.
Yes. So
Okay.
inside the trays there is 3 cylinder, 1, 2, and 3, who clamp the cardboard. And so when the cardboard is under here, the machine can take it, load it, and download it automatically. We have few sensors there. This is the limit switch for the height.
So this limit switch touches this, no?
It does this.
This bar. Okay.
Then we have the same limit here. Now we are totally down, so the limit is on.
Okay.
Then
So
we
okay.
have other 2 sensors. Is these 2 is to see when the lifter is back or forward. Now, for example, it's back, so this will be on. And here we have all the valve about all these cylinder. Every cylinder there is one valve here, and then we have another valve is for the movement back and forward. With this one, we can set the pressure about this cylinder. Normally, 3 bar is okay.
Okay, let me put a marker so that we'll have our reference. Okay, can you please mark it? 2 bars. So it will be our guide that the in future the set pressure will be 2 bar. 2 bars. Just put here on the. Where is the 2 bar? But this is actually 3 bar now, no?
Yes,
So it's okay 3 bar?
it's okay, yes.
Okay.
Then we have 2 sensors here. One is here and one in the other parts, in the same position.
This is for the to read the
To read when
cardboard.
the cardboard is going from the lifter to the machine.
So what type of sensor is this?
Is
Photoelectric
photoelectric, yes.
photoelectric
And
sensor.
we have one here and another one on the bottom.
Reflector.
Yes, there's not a reflector. There are 2 sensors. They work
okay.
together.
Okay. So it's, I don't know, NPN or PNP sensor, but it is reflecting photocell,
Yes.
photoelectric sensor. Okay. So
After the lifter, we have the second part of the machine. Is the feeder group. So we have these rows. There is 1 roll on the bottom, and in this case we have 3 rows on the top.
so this rubber, I assume
yes.
after some time it get worn out.
Yes, after many years.
Yeah, maybe because it's only carton. Okay.
Yeah. And the function of this is to feed the cardboard, to take the cardboard from the lifter and feed it to the cutting unit.
So it has a guillotine inside, no?
Huh?
Guillotine cutter.
No,
So what type of cutter is that?
I will show you later.
Okay.
After the feeder, there is the first cutting part. The feeding group turn it, so and move the part on the top, move also up and down. With this cylinder, one is here, one is outside there. There's another couple here and another couple on the other side.
This cylinder is for what?
Is to move this up and down.
This should not touch the roller, no? Otherwise
Yeah.
this will get...
No, it doesn't touch. And in every cylinder, every couple of cylinder, we have a sensor, 1, 2, and 3, and we use it to read when the cylinder is up or down.
so this is a read sensor.
Yes, with the sensor.
Position of the cylinder.
So how it works the machine? The cardboard is here. This move in the right position, then move forward when the feeder is up. Then the feeder goes down. this cylinder goes up, and then you can take the cardboard.
Okay.
And here we have another two photo cell. One is here, one is in the other side, same position. And we use it to see the beginning of the cardboard. So we know that when the cardboard arrives here, the machine starts to count to make all the other works in the cutting and creasing.
Okay, so there is encoder.
Yeah.
Encoder.
The encoder is on the motor of the conveyor.
Okay.
Okay, I show you the cutting unit. This is the cutting unit, transversal cutting unit. We move in this direction from right to the left, and we have the blade.
Okay, so that's the knife, the blade to cut the.
This blade is the only blade which is sharp.
So it's a toothed blade, yeah.
Yes. And the other tools is the creaser,
What do you mean, sir?
the tools who made the fold on the box.
Ah, okay. So it will leave a groove or what you say?
Grease.
Crease.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here there is cylinder. So this. This blade goes to cut between the two iron plates, so you don't have to replace it so often. And then here we have some other parts. So the valve of this cylinder is inside the unit. And here we have something like a hook. You can move in this direction. There is another cylinder behind here. And with this hook, we move also the other unit. Something like. So we read the position of the unit with this sensor. Then we take it with the hook here. And then we move it on the right position. Here we have another sensor, and this sensor reads when the hook is outside or inside.
Okay.
The limit switch, one on the right and another one on the left on the other side. One of these limit switch is also the zero position of the unit. The motor is on the other side, I will show you later. After the transversal cutting unit, we have the longitudinal cutting unit. Is this one. There is no motors. There is just two sliding bearing, the cylinder with the blade, who in this case cut for pressure in these iron rolls, steel, like this. And there is two brakes. One is here, one is there. It's a pneumatic brake.
Okay.
So when
pneumatic
the
brake.
machine is activated, the machine blow air inside the brake and stop the unit.
Okay.
Okay. This is the blade, and here in this case we have also the creaser.
So we have only one blade, yeah, to cut the.
Only one transversal blade, and we have 7 longitudinal blades in this case.
Where is the 7 longitudinal?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5.
And these blades are not toothed the same as the other one. It's
Yes.
guillotine. Oh, so say
It's not sharp.
sharp blade.
Yes. Because it's just cut for pressure.
It's not sharp, yeah.
No, you can touch it.
Yes, it's not sharp. It's blunt, so it can leave only impression on the surface of the carton. Okay.
Okay. After that we have the extractor. So we have 2 cylinders who move up and down these rows, and that
Extractor means it discharges the
discharge the cardboard.
cardboard.
And the last thing is the 2 sensor. One is here, one on the other side, and we need it to read when the cardboard is going outside the machine.
Okay.
I open the other side. There's more things to do.
By the way, the trainer is official trainer from the manufacturer. So we're removing the panel to show you the motor and the devices inside this.
Okay. So here we have the motors about the transversal axis.
Transversal axis.
Yes, that one with the sharp blade. And we have the chain about the conveying. The motors is inside the machine. And we have everything about the pneumatic. So here we have the air from the compressor come here.
And what is
The right pressure is 6 bar.
6 bar? Can you mark it? So on the other side, it requires 3 bar. But here in the incomer or the main feeder, it requires 6 bar.
6 bar, yeah.
So we're going to mark for future reference. And what about this feeder and extraction? This should be the same.
So this is the count. We can set the pressure about the extraction feeder 1, 2, and 3.
So
What is the extraction? Is the last rows there, and feeder 1, 2, and 3 is the 3 rows on the feeder.
can I mark this on this 3 bar?
Yes. Okay, and why counter feeder, counter pressure? Because we work with in this case we have always air in one part of the cylinder, and when we want to move the cylinder, we put more air in the other side.
Okay.
So here we set the counter pressure, so the part where we have always pressure, and from this valve we put the air on the other side. Here we have always 6 bar, this pressure, and here you can set it if you want.
So basically, this is the controller for the cylinder.
Yes, there is 4 valves here. 3 is made to the feeder and 1 for the structure. And the last one here is carbon blocking pressure. So is the cylinder on the back on the lifter. And from these two, you can set the pressure of the longitudinal cruising pressure and transversal cruising pressure.
Longitudinal means it's
Or, yes, this way.
like horizontal. No, you can-
Vertical.
Okay, and this is horizontal.
Yes.
Transversal. Transversal creasing.
And here on the bottom we have the valve of the cooler, because the electrical cabinet is cooled by air.
By compressor.
Yes, I will show you now. We can open everything.
So it is continuously discharging
Not continuously. There is a sensor inside the electrical cabinet.
when the temperature goes high.
When the temperature goes high, this valve open the air and they blow it inside.
Okay.
Okay, we can go there.
Anyway, it has just in case there is moisture, there is a moisture filter, no? There.
The filter is inside here.
Mayroon siyang drain. They have drain, huh?
Yes, you have to remove this, and inside here there is a filter.
All right.
You want to see it?
No, no, it's fine. It's fine. I'm quite happy with my air compressor because they are brand new.
Okay.
They are all brand new.
And another thing about the air compressor is that you can shut off the air completely from here.
And discharge.
So this you discharge all the air on the machine.
Perfect.
All our cylinder is air piloted, huh?
Yes.
Okay, so we are opening the left side panel to show you the what is here inside the electrical cabinet, no?
There is the electrical cabinet, then there is also the encoder of the transversal axis, and nothing more. So here we have the encoder of the transversal axis. There is the electrical switch here, and
Okay.
another switch from the electrical part.
So this is the main circuit breaker or main
Yes.
MCV.
Yeah, just a second. Okay, and here there is the electrical cabinet. Oh, there is the connection of internet from the customer.
And where is the service manual for this machine?
Is there? I will give you.
We can keep it inside the box.
Okay.
If there is a safe place to keep
And
it.
also there is under the screen. There
Okay.
You can open this part. Is there.
Okay.
And then you can close it by the key.
Perfect. So we have three VFD.
Okay. So the cooler is there.
So we're injecting the air through these hoses
This pipe.
here, and it has multiple holes
Yeah.
to create a spool of air.
Yes. And
to
this
cool
is
down.
the sensor with the temperature.
Okay, so when it
Arrive at
30.
30 degrees.
35,
35.
Yeah.
so
The machine start to blow inside.
yeah.
And here we have the PLC. Yeah, the PLC.
This is a PLC and these are I/O.
IO, yes. Input and output. We have the three inverter about the three motors. So for the lifter, conveying and transversal axis.
Okay.
We have this part is about the safety device.
Safety device,
So
safety
the
relay.
safety device is on the gate there and on the front gate. I didn't show you. I forgot it.
Okay.
And then we have this one is the UPS. So we have a battery inside.
So normally, what is the lifespan of these batteries?
I don't know. Normally the machine will show you an alarm when it's going down.
Okay. So alarm will be there if the battery is
Yes,
weak
yes.
or low.
Yes, but also if the battery is low, you have just to make another procedure to shut off the machine.
So there is no problem because normally what I am doing is my practice is if there is a backup memory battery, I don't remove the backup memory battery for replacement. I keep it always machine on.
Huh?
Machine on, and then I disconnect the battery. I connect
you have
the
to
new
do it this
battery.
way. In the
Yes.
manual is right that you have to do like this.
Otherwise, all the parameters or
You will lose the one.
yeah, you will lose the program.
And zoom everything. Nothing.
Okay, so just in case any trip, you have fuses here, no?
Yes. There is the fuses. And
Why you not use circuit breaker instead? Why you use fuse?
the circuit breaker is on your cabinet.
So do we have spare fuses for this?
No, you don't have it.
No fuse, huh?
You can find it, I think, everywhere.
Or it has maybe inside spare fuse.
I don't know, maybe something is inside. Yes, there is one. I think it's for spare.
Yeah, for spare, but there's no spare, yeah. Because what I know is
Yes, there is two holes.
Yeah, there
I
is
didn't
there-
put
there-
nothing. But you can find it easier, I think. Okay,
okay.
so now I close everything, then we can start the machine. Now to make makeup.
Okay, so this video is for the how the machine works, and the next video will be for the maintenance part. Okay, so now we are understanding the sequence and the system how this machine Panotec pan fold casing machine, or they call it boxing machine.
The other safety device is there.
Magnetic, huh?
Yes.
Magnetic safety switch or safety device.
there.
So normally, how much time it requires to initialize the control?
Around 2-3 minutes.
2 to 3 minutes. What is the story behind the name Panotec?
I don't know. It was started before me. I think it was the technology of the panel.
Okay.
Because they started to make the machine for the
So it's a
for the panel.
panel tech, then Panotec.
Yes. Panel technology. Something like this.
Okay, so the system is currently booting or loading, initializing. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes to initialize the system. And this machine is connected to the internet for remote diagnostic and software. So the service manual and
It's a pen drive.
pen drive. So it has also a cooler,
Yes.
pan.
Here is the manual.
Okay. So it comes with the pen drive for the soft copy of the manual.
Okay. Now the machine is ready to be started. First thing to do is to activate the auxiliaries like this. And then we can see that we have alarms, and it's right that the lifter axis is not referred and the cutter axis is not referred. If we press auto, the machine will take automatically the zero position. So you see this one has moved, and also the other is moving. Arrived at the zero position.
So it's referencing.
Yes, and then move back and forward to see where the other longitudinal unit is positioned. Okay.
So
now
now
the
it's
alarm disappear.
now it's home.
Yeah. Okay, now the machine is ready to work, but before we have to load the cardboard. We go in the page cardboard trays.
Cardboard trays.
We select which number of trays we have to load. In this case, we have to load in the number 2 and the number 3.
So where it shows number 2 or number 3.
From here, you see the number there, and you move it like this. Okay.
So as we said, what we have is number 2 and number 3.
3, yes.
2 and 3.
Let's start from number 2. The machine needs to know the width of the cardboard, this in millimeter. In this case is 1.9 meters, and the thickness of the cardboard.
So the width is 1.9 and 5 mm.
Yes. Now I write it there in SX because SX is meaning left. So we load the cardboard on the left side of the machine. DX is the right. Then the machine want to know the name of the cardboard, because we can have different cardboard. For example, 2 cardboard with 1.9 meters width with 5 millimeter thickness, but one is white and one is brown, for example, or with a logo or something. So we can give something like a name to the cardboard. In this case, we can leave it 0. Then we say to the machine, yes, I want to load this cardboard. So we press cardboard loading cycle. The lift move on the right position to be loaded. Then we have to unlock the cardboard and open the gate. What is the meaning of unlock cardboard? Is that I give the permit to this button to unlock the cylinder of this tray, just this tray. Okay. And now we can start. Thank you. No, it's not this one because there is one part is missing here. I don't know who take it.
That is the puller, yeah?
Yeah.
Cable puller or carton puller.
Yeah. This one was on top of the machine, the other one is missing. I don't know why. So with this, we can open it, put on the cardboard, press.
Very good system.
There. Put it there. Release. And then so we bring the cardboard from here. There. Now we need to remove it here. And then we can feed the cardboard inside.
Very simple, huh? Easy, no?
Yes, quite easy. When we press this button, this cylinder goes up. Then we put the cardboard till the end, and we press again the button. Now the cardboard is clamped by the cylinder.
So, I think they need, if they are feeding a new cardboard, make sure that the edge is trimmed perpendicularly.
No,
straight.
no, no. The machine will cut the first part of
Ah,
the.
okay, so that's not required.
So we can close the gate. We have to restart the machine with this button. Press auto again, and then to straight, we press cut off. So the machine automatically cut the first part of the cardboard.
300.
400 millimeter.
400.